Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying, doing great in this beautiful summer, and you are having a lot of fun with your families, with your loved ones. So I hope you are not forgetting to like, subscribe, and share my channels and use my videos. Today I'm here with another beautiful topic for you guys, which is DIY home decor ideas, in which you can use it to recycle stuff or you can use your creativity to decor your home. So I want to know if you guys have any creative ideas in your mind. Just send me the idea and I will make a video on that. We can do great and we can share your ideas with all of the words to see what they gonna do. Okay, so in this video I have a little bit of ideas which you can do guys show with your walls or with your living areas, so it will give your home a really nice, beautiful and modified look. Look the beautiful DIY chair which is beautifully colored, and you are gonna love this video. You are gonna love the every idea I have shared with you guys. I please don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. I will bring more and more content for you guys on the daily basis, and just let me know what you want to see. I can collect the that kind of ideas for you guys, and I will love to hear from you guys in the comment box. So let me know what you want, what you like, what you don't like, what's your favorite color, what combination you guys want in your homes. So we can make that video and we'll share. Please share, subscribe and like my channel and this video, beautiful ideas of the beautiful homes. I wish you all have the beautiful lives and the beautiful homes where you can arrange your house as you wish. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.